USB-C fast charging cables in 2026 are essential for rapid charging, universal compatibility, efficient data transfer, and supporting modern high-power devices. My today's video is about top 5 best USB-C cable that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at NEU USB-C cable. The NEU 240W USB-C to USB-C cable positions itself as a premium, future-ready charging solution, combining exceptional speed with a strong focus on safety. Capable of delivering ultra-fast power, it significantly reduces charging time across a wide range of devices, from smartphones like the iPhone 15 to power-hungry laptops and gaming devices, making it ideal for users with multiple USB-C gadgets. Its broad compatibility ensures seamless performance regardless of wattage requirements, which adds to its versatility. What truly sets it apart is the AMARC 2.0 safety system, actively monitoring temperature and power flow to prevent overheating and overcharging, offering peace of mind during high-speed use. Backed by a 3-year warranty and built with high-quality materials, it reflects durability and reliability. Overall, this cable is an excellent choice for those seeking top-tier charging performance without compromising device safety. Now our second product is Kiade USB-C cable. This 3-pack of 10 feet USB-C cables offers a practical blend of performance, durability, and convenience for everyday charging needs. Supporting up to 60 W power delivery, it ensures reliable fast charging for smartphones, tablets, and even some laptops, while 480 megabits per second data transfer handles routine file syncing efficiently. The standout feature is the extra long length, giving you the freedom to charge comfortably from a distance, ideal for bedsides, offices, or car use. Build quality is impressive, with tough nylon braiding and sturdy aluminum connectors that resist fraying and bending, making them well-suited for heavy daily use. Broad compatibility across modern USB-C devices adds to their versatility, eliminating the need for multiple cable types. While not the fastest option for high-power laptops, these cables strike a solid balance between speed, durability, and value, making them a dependable choice for most users. Our third product is Baseus USB-C cable. This 100W USB-C cable delivers an impressive balance of speed, safety, and durability, making it a strong contender for power users. With 5A/20V power delivery, it significantly boosts charging performance, quickly powering smartphones like the Samsung S20 and even large devices such as a MacBook Pro with notable efficiency. The inclusion of a certified eMarker chip ensures stable current regulation, providing peace of mind during high-speed charging sessions. Build quality is another highlight, featuring a premium zinc alloy shell paired with a tough nylon braided exterior that resists wear, oxidation, and daily stress. Its broad compatibility across USB-C devices enhances its versatility, though the lack of video output support may limit use for display connectivity. Backed by an 18-month warranty, this cable stands out as a reliable, high-performance option for users seeking fast, safe, and long-lasting charging solutions. Now number 4. SOX USB-C cable. The SOX double-ended USB-C cable is a premium solution for high-speed, reliable charging, designed exclusively for USB-C to USB-C connections. With support for 100W fast charging via PD 2.0 and QC technology, it powers a wide range of devices, from smartphones like the iPhone 16 and Samsung Galaxy series to laptops such as MacBook Air/Pro, at lightning speeds, though actual performance depends on your wall adapter. The built-in Super eMark chip intelligently regulates voltage and current, optimizing charging efficiency, protecting your device from overcharging, and extending battery lifespan with trickle mode at 80%. Crafted with upgraded 3D aluminum connectors and laser welding, the cable offers remarkable durability, while electronic safety certifications provide confidence in its quality. Data transfer rates of 480 megabits per second complement its charging capabilities, making it versatile for daily use. Overall, this cable combines power, safety, and compatibility, making it an essential accessory for any modern USB-C device user. And our last choice is Anchor USB-C cable. The Anchor Prime 240W USB-C to USB-C cable redefines fast charging, capable of powering a 16-inch MacBook Pro, M3 Pro, to 50% in just 26 minutes, making it a standout for productivity and efficiency. Built to endure over 300,000 bends, its robust design ensures long-lasting durability, while the extreme temperature resilience allows reliable performance from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for varied climates. Crafted sustainably with 100% post-consumer recycled materials, it supports eco-conscious choices without compromising quality. Although it doesn't support screen mirroring, it excels in fast, safe, and stable power delivery, making it perfect for laptops, smartphones, and other USB-C devices. With a 6-foot length, it provides flexible reach for home, office, or travel use. Combining unparalleled speed, durability, and environmentally friendly construction, this cable offers a premium charging experience that meets the demands of modern high-power devices. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.